Spread the word. In BMWs with BMW Operating System 9, you can now seamlessly link your personal Amazon Alexa account to your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. Saying,
"Hey BMW."
You can immerse yourself in the same Alexa music experience you enjoy at home, now on the road. During the initial setup of your BMW Personal Assistant, simply confirm when prompted to link your system with Alexa. Or anytime in the Personal Assistant app, go to Settings and select Link with Alexa. Scan the QR code and enter your Amazon credentials on the website. Finally, allow access to Alexa voice service. Your Amazon account has been successfully linked. To make sure your preferred streaming service is linked, simply open the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone. Open All Activities, go to Link Music Services, and link a new service or check your default services. Done! Now you can simply ask your personal assistant, for example,
"Hey BMW, play my road trip playlist."
And your Alexa voice service will execute the command.
Your playlist, Road Trip on Amazon Music.
You can even search by genre or style.
"Hey BMW, play some upbeat music."
Here you go.
Discover new music, search, and streaming features. Want to learn more about your personal assistant? Watch our how-to video.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.